Today's video is regarding HP OfficeJet Pro 9014 printer. So I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and setup of this printer. So let's start with the unboxing. Once your printer is on, go to the display panel so that the setup process can be started. And the first thing we have to do here is to select the language. So select the English language. Select the country. And once you select it, just confirm. And the next step is to install the ink cartridges. So we are going to install the setup ink cartridges with this printer. Now the setup ink cartridges comes in a box, so you just have to open the box and take the ink cartridges out. So this is the black ink cartridge, and other side of the box we have the color ink cartridges. Next step is to open the ink cartridge chamber door, which is at the front of this printer. Just wait for the ink cartridge chamber to come in the middle. Now I'll show you how to install them. So we can start with the color ink cartridges. Now you have to check the seal color. It should match with the color here. Also, this seal will stay outside facing this side, and the HP logo should be upside as like this. And you just have to simply place here and slide it in and push it in. There is a spring and it will lock. And same for the next, the seal should be facing downwards, and just place it here, slide it in, push it in, and it will lock. Now the yellow, the seals must stay outside so that we can see the colors, and push it in, it will lock there. And this is the black. So here is the seal, which is black in color at the down. So place it like this, and your ink cartridges are installed now. Close the ink cartridge chamber door and go to the screen. So once the ink cartridge door is closed, you will see it's checking the printer. So just wait for the processing. Once we close the ink cartridge chamber door, you will see this screen. It says instant ink ready, and it says thanks for using these cartridges. Now we have to click OK to continue the process. Now we have to load the A4 size sheets or the plain paper or letter size paper at the bottom paper tray. Just take it out. So if you just push it, it will open, and adjust the size here. Place A4 size sheets. Now push it in, and the paper output tray is here. So this is the top shelf, and go to the display panel now. On the display panel we can see the next step is to align the print heads or the ink cartridges. For that we need to press the continue button. So printer is going to print the alignment page now. The next step is to scan the alignment page. So open the top scanner lid and place the page facing downwards on the left hand side upper corner here. Close this door and click on the scan button. On the display panel, once the alignment is successful, just click on the OK button. On the display panel, the next thing is to click OK as the alignment is done. On the next screen, it says to complete the setup process, we have to go to the HP website, or you can just click on the question mark here. And the next step is to network setup, so click on that. Here we have the option to do the wireless setup or connect later. And to do the wireless setup, we have to click on the wireless button, or we can do it later, so we just select the connect later. Now it says thanks for choosing the HP. So here is the main display screen. So we have just completed the initial setup of this printer, and if you want you can start using it. If you want you can do the copy, and if you are looking for wireless printing and scanning, then you have to do the Wi-Fi setup. So let's start with the copy. So place a page here facing downwards, and on the display panel click on the copy button. So here we can see, and after that you will see the document, and just hit the copy button again. It will send a command for the copying. Scroll down the top bar, click on the setting option, setting icon. You will see the blue light is blinking, that means printer is in the setup mode and it's not connected to the Wi-Fi. Now in this section click on the network setup, then click on the wireless settings, click on the wireless setup wizard. It will search for the available networks here, and we have to enter the password of that network. Select the network you want to connect it. So use the display panel, and this is a touch screen panel. You just have to enter the password here. So once you enter the password, click done button and click OK, and just wait for the printer to connect with the Wi-Fi network. Also you will see the Wi-Fi light, which is the blue light, will stop blinking. It will stay on. That means it is connected to the Wi-Fi network. So your printer is online now, and if you want you can add to the different devices, for example iPhone, laptop, MacBook, computer, and then you can start using for the wireless printing and scanning. Overall it's a really good printer if you want to use it for home or office use. It connects quickly with the Wi-Fi network, and it's easy to set up this printer. Thanks for watching.